I messed that one up, but yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's ICC, and today we are gonna do some more Clash Royale. So, hey guys, we're back, and let's do some more Clash Royale. Let's change your deck up. And okay, yeah, whatever. Wait, what? You see gold. Oh, so that means when your chest slots are full, you can get gold instead of. Yeah, bro. Bang, bang, chew, train. Yeah, and fireball. Right, release the expo. Okay, yikes. Bang, bang, boom, bang, whoa, woohoo. Oh, wait, well played, I mean. But yeah, good game anyways. Okay, that's a stupid idea if I spawn it right there. Let's do this. Spawn the army over here. Boom! Bang! Whoa, gosh. Goblins? Oh, he left a match. So, guess I kind of win because he left the match. Thanks. Come on. Well, that's good. They should give you more coins if all your chests are full. Or at least more chest spots. In my opinion, but... yeah. Let's go and raid again. Good luck, bro. Oh crap, he has a hog rider. Oh gosh, okay, send everyone in, kill that hog rider. Kaboom! Okay, yeah, there's a huge horde. It's a horde. A horde. Boom! Okay, that only killed like 2 skeletons. Oh crap, this isn't looking good. This looks like a hard. Distraction. Okay, yeah, this is insanely hard. No, you gotta be. But I was known to never, ever give up. So let's go. Okay, kaboom. Let's do this. Distraction. Oh my gosh. I need to at least get. And this guy is that pro. Okay. Rage! Come on. Oh wait, bad idea. But I did it. Oh no. He has a whole rider. Come in. Oh no. Rage. Oh wow. I want to get to Arena 4 though, so I got... Wait. Oh, come on. I was going to change my deck. Yeah. I thought he wouldn't respond, so I said it twice. Ray! Hey! He's going to let out the bomb. Boom! Oh, I didn't get that witch though. Bang, bang, 1, 2. Oh my gosh, with these hog riders. Yeah. So I need 9. Yeah, Rage! Come on, get twice. Get it twice. Oh, God. Oops, oops, oops. I wasn't paying attention right there. Stabbity stab. The witch versus that canyon. Spikes. Let's go with Giganta. Oh no, not today. Save that giant skeleton live. No! Come on, we have to have at least 8 if we're gonna rage this guy up. Oh crap, Hog Rider! Oh my gosh, that Hog Rider is distraction. Bam! Come on. Oh crap. Oh crap, defend! I gotta survive for oh no! Shoot! Rage. Bang! Bang! Kaboom! Not today! Not today! Oh god! But if I'm banging the bangy dang, but if I'm banging the bangy dang. Rage! Good game, bro. Oh, I forgot to say thanks. Okay, I got goblins. Okay, now let's go. I just switched back my deck. If you guys can see that. How am I gonna do this? Defend. Oh no. Oh! Oh, missed my crown tower. That's good luck. But I'm banging the 90. Bam. Bam. One more hit. Oh. We're gonna do this. Barbarians. Oh, gosh. Okay, if we're gonna do that, we have to spawn the canyon. It's like that, we didn't really need to spawn the canyon, but we spawned it, so yeah. Red Expo. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. That balloon! Okay, we better distract those. Alright, we gotta win. One more. Oh my. That canyon, though. Yeah, kill that witch. Whoa, why did I? Well played. Alright, I'm gonna have to. A minion horde, though. Oh no! I have to buy that archer. Oh gosh. No. Yeah. There's living, which is Catbot. Yeah. He left because he had to go, so. So I guess I'll be it. So that being said, thank you all for watching. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.